Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to play Minecraft Story Mode. So, unfortunately, this game has stopped its Story Mode version from 2019. But if you want to play this game now, so there are some rare options you may use it, like find some physical copies. Nearly all physical copies of Microsoft Story Mode will work on respective console without any issues. This option include PS3, Xbox 360, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch. However, for PS3 and Xbox 360, the complete adventure copies are required. Also, you may search for some digital version. So, if you get it, you may play the game, but due to the license issue mentioned above, the Minecraft Story Mode is no longer available for digital purchase, so you might find from someone who has already purchased it or have stored in the cloud. So these are the way you can play Minecraft Story Mode, but it is very difficult now to play that Minecraft Story Mode. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching the video.